Welcome to Gram Bangla Retreat, a serene sanctuary where nature meets comfort. Perfect for families, friends, and pets, all nested in 50 bigha of pure serenity. Experience paradise year round with expansive open spaces for office outings, group trips, and memorable picnics. Host your dream wedding in our lavish banquet hall and spacious lawn, complete with ample parking and accommodations. Savor fresh, organic meals straight from our farm, crafted to create a true farm to table experience. Celebrate life's special moments at our charming terrace lounge where unforgettable memories are met. Indulge in our culinary delights served with exceptional hospitality. From nature's beauty to unforgettable celebrations, your perfect escape begins here. Book now for a lifetime experience.